viewers, in today's maths, we will solve an Olympiad mathematics question that says if x raised to power 2 minus x raised to power 3 is equal to 12, then what is the value of x? Solution to the given question, it is x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equal to 12. I will move everything from the left to the right hand side so that I will have 0 is equal to 12 minus x squared plus s cubed. Okay, rearranging it, I can have it as x raised to power 3, then minus x squared plus 12 is equal to 0. At this point, I can write it also x raised to power 3 minus x squared plus 8 plus 4 equal to 0, because 8 plus 4 is 12. Also, it can be written as x raised to power 3 plus 8, then minus x squared plus 4 equal to 0. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3, so I write x raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 minus x squared. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to 0. But then, it can also be written as x raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3, then minus into the bracket x squared minus 2 squared equal to 0, because x minus multiplied by x squared will give us minus x squared, and minus multiplied by minus 2x 2 squared will give us plus 2 squared. So it is very correct. Now, take a look at this. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab then plus b squared. Okay? That is what it will be. Also, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Alright, with these two, we can apply it to what we have as x raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 minus into the bracket x raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 2. Therefore, applying for x raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 2 raised to power 3, we will apply it in this. Therefore, we can write it as x, alright, plus 2 into x squared, then minus, that is applying this, 2 times x, which is 2x, then plus 2 squared, and that is 4. Very correct. So, I have represented this. That is what I have written. Then minus, I have the minus. What is left here is applying difference of 2 squares, which can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 2. Everything now is equal to 0. Everything here, this x squared minus 2 squared is the whole of this. Alright? Y equal to 0. Then, x raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 is the whole of this. Now, looking at it, something is common, and that is x plus 2, x plus 2. It can be factored out. I have x plus 2 into the bracket. Here I have x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then, what is left here is in the bracket x minus 2. Multiplied by this minus, that will give me minus multiplied by x is minus x, and minus multiplied by minus 2 will give me plus 2. Okay? Still, it is equal to 0. Mathematics is life. Good. It can be written as x plus 2 into x squared. Minus 2x minus x is minus 3x plus 4 plus 2 will give me plus 6 equal to 0. At this point, the first bracket is equal to 0, the second bracket is equal to 0. So I write x plus 2 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 2. This is the first value of x. Alright, from the second bracket, I got it. X squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. You see, this is a quadratic function, a quadratic equation. Therefore, you see, we have what we call discriminant rule. And that says that b squared minus 4ac. Alright, we use it to determine when a quadratic equation can give us real solutions. If it is greater than 0, we will have two real solutions. Then, if it is equal to 0, it is going to give us one real solution. Then, but if it is less than 0, it is going to give us 0 solution. That means it will result to a complex solution, that is giving us complex roots. And when it is less than 0, it means we are going to reject it. Therefore, we apply this quadratic equation using this discriminant rule to see what it will give us. When we get it greater than 0, we solve it and get the two values of x.